me, Devin the Gamer, and we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank 2016 for the PlayStation 4. And we got lombax49. No! lombax49 with me again. You said you weren't gonna do it, you liar! Oh! Can you talk louder than your own voice, man? What am I doing? You're high.
Very.
Yeah, I could tell. I heard that a lot of traumatic experiences have happened to you since you last appeared on our show.
I got arrested for shoplifting a purse.
I know, right? You've been through a lot. Oh! No, the slaves betrayed me! No, I'm a slave. Oh, look at this. The Hydro Displacer. Alright, so, have you noticed that there's something very different about this segment, though?
Yeah.
Like the whole fact that the water is water. And see, it's like different. What's your opinion on that? Like, I want to hear your fully honest opinion. lombax49! What's your honest opinion, buddy?
My honest opinion is that I am glad that they added that.
That they changed it? Yeah, that was actually pretty cool, like the way they changed it, you know?
Yeah,
because like, what?
No,
Why would I let you have that?
We should search the area for
let
skins.
me have it.
You're dirty, man.
I
Stop
want
trying to... Alright, time to find Skid's agent.
No.
Oh! Got him!
Yeah.
Let's listen to the beautiful voices. Ow. You got SpongeBob. SpongeBob Spongy Pants. Alright, this is me trying to be cool with a plasma striker. Oh yeah, man. You gotta dance now.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
What?
Devin.
Yes, lombax49.
Not a lot of comedy in this video. I think we should add it in.
What are you talking about?
I think we should add in the comedy.
Oh no. How about we talk this over, okay, buddy? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're bending me over. Oh crap. Oh no. The slave's riding! No! Oh! 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 Oh crap. Oh, hollow card! I'm gonna get a hollow card, boy!
Yeah!
Yeah, totally. Hollow card, boy. Hollow card. Boy! Oh, Papa! Hey! Drax!
Trying to get my phone.
Robert, you dirty creeper. I didn't know you played that way.
No, that's you.
You're the one who's jumping on me!
You're the one who's not having comedy. I'll have you know
And I have a lot of comedy! Cause I'm...
Where's the comedy?
Your arsenal. That's where the comedy is.
No, I just got roasted.
Oh boy, you just got roasted!
I just got roasted.
You just got roasted!
Fusion bomb.
I know, right? Oh,
Scuffling across a dangerous building while jumping.
yeah.
He's gonna die.
Hey, how about we talk about that reference we saw in the Ratchet movie? Remember the... Oh, alright, we're not gonna spoil it because lombax49 is like doing some weird talking. Beep! Appeared. There you go, is that good enough for spoil free?
Yeah.
If you want to watch the spoiler video, don't be a lazy piece of crap, find some other video.
These brutes are trying to kill me.
Oh, they are, aren't they? So, this is one difference, definitely. Like, there's a campsite, so I'm guessing that, you know, the agent, instead of him just standing there by a ship like, oh, I'm by my ship, if you beat the races, I'll give you this, like, little helmet thing. It's kind of more like, I'm camping here, I'm trying to survive, because, like, I don't commune well with nature, you know? Yeah.
Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Not really. Reference, I might add. Yeah.
Yep.
Don't you think we're gonna have some pretty creative names for these videos? lombax49 reimagined 1. lombax49 reimagined
Saved my clients, huh? Don't tell me.
2. Number 2.
Ratchet and clank. Right. Beautiful. Sprocket and plank. I like the sound of it. Real
Sprocket and
marketing
plank.
potential.
I hate
can
people who
sell
don't
that.
pronounce
Now
Ratchet and
listen,
Clank's name.
I think that's the joke. Like they're making fun of people who always pronounce it. You
I
know?
will meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
Maybe.
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Probably not.
Beautiful. You two have
I'm
heart.
sad that they
I
didn't
can
add
sell
any
that.
sand mice though.
We are
I
always
always
happy to
liked those
assist.
in the original game.
Well, wasn't it a lot like Mr. Zircon technically?
Yeah, I guess so, but I liked finding the sand mice in my
Really
maps.
appreciate you.
Yeah.
Okatara, I memorized Okatara's sand mice location.
Like that.
Yeah, it's like on a beach area,
A
right?
hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors? I'm beginning to think you don't care about me or whatever. Fine. What about you, Renchi? Ratchet. Exactly.
Why?
You want to be a hoverboard star?
Renchi?
This info will give you all the details.
Oh, I love this cutscene.
Wonder Star sent you. It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City
I love this cutscene, dude.
Planet Wilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker?
Let's be quiet and
Show
listen
off
to the
your
amazing
hoverboard
music,
skills? Then blast on over to Wilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I got mental problems.
The Blackwater City hoverboard competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one. I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
Maybe.
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Wilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Oh, will be noted. And guess what, Robert? Doesn't that sound amazing? Wouldn't you want to, like, appear in that special planet? Well, guess what?
Wow, we just saved a celebrity.
You're never coming back! Until, like, probably another Let's Play. So, we're gonna go back to the ship and crap and go to the planet selection thingy. And then we're gonna have off the video. lombax49, you got something to say? Say goodbye to the fans!
Bye-bye, fans.
Bye, fam!
See you in the next
Which planet
video.
should we go to? You might enjoy the hoverboard races held on
Bye-bye.
In the next part, where lombax49 will not appear!
See you later.
Alright, bye.